y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I just got all this stuff behind me, but as y'all can see, I don't really ever be sitting like this. We're doing a DIY today. Got some jeans that we are going to be transforming. So we are going to be doing some foil pants, so like metallic vibes, definitely in right now. And really, it can just be a statement piece forever, like a timeless statement piece. So I'm gonna be using these deco foils in silver, and then we have the gel transfer. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and Happy New Year. Let's get into that too. In the new year, y'all can for sure, I promise y'all, we're gonna be doing way more DIYs, fashion videos. Yeah, the content, it's gonna be there. So yeah, also y'all go and check out my last few videos. Go and check them out. Yeah, let's just get caught up, okay? So the first thing I'm going to be doing to start off this DIY is taking out the hem on the bottom of these pants. I already did one leg. I'm gonna do this one on camera. So I thrifted these pants, pretty sure they were really no more than $2, but when I tried them on, they were too short, so that's why I went ahead and did this. And as you can see, like, we got a lot of length added. You can see this is like where it would have stopped, and this is the extra fabric we gained. And to take this out, I'm gonna use a seam ripper. Just flip that inside out. You can see right here, I'm gonna just start ripping. It's a very tedious process, but it helps with the overall look. So just keep doing this. Both of the hems are out now. And now I'm about to open these foil sheets, because each one of these came with 5 sheets, and I'm really just trying to see how much I'm really gonna have. And trim off the side pieces and then add it at the bottom. Okay, so I am back. I just watched the tutorial again so I could get a refresher on what I'm about to do. But here are my sheets. Like, ooh, no way. Look at me making a mess, y'all. Making a mess. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is do this kind of sporadically. Hopefully it doesn't look too crazy. Go ahead and start laying these pieces down. I'll put this one that I messed up at the bottom. Let's start at the top though, so I can get my spacing right. and I'll be back when I go to iron this down. Okay, so I am back. I started ironing the foil. As you can see, if I lift a little bit up, you can see the white base, but I'm gonna just put that back down because I'm gonna keep ironing down a little bit. I have no idea what temperature this thing is supposed to be on, but the video I watched, she said she ironed for about 2 minutes, so that's what I'm gonna keep on doing. Okay guys, I kind of started getting ahead of myself, but I finished ironing and now I'm about to start peeling the pieces off. This leg has way more foil on it than the other one. I already took those off, but I'm gonna show y'all. Okay y'all, so this is what the pants are looking like. This leg, it doesn't have as much foil on it. I don't know if you can really tell, but it's really like right in this section. I feel like you can tell. So I'm gonna add a little more of this right here and put this back on it because it still has some in the middle, and see if I can just get another little patch at least right there so it's kind of balanced. Hey y'all, so here are the final results of my pants. I'm gonna let them dry, so honestly I don't know if I'm gonna have them styled by the time I post this video, but if it's not in this video, I will definitely post a picture of me in them, or I'll post like a YouTube short of how I styled it. But yeah, y'all will definitely see me in these pants. And yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope y'all liked it. Overall, this was fairly simple. The most time consuming part was really just ironing it and making sure that all of the foil transferred. This was a really easy and fun project to do. Y'all let me know how y'all like it, if y'all would try this out. Thanks for watching.